Hello, welcome to my HOBONICHI 2023 unboxing. So, this is just an first impressions video and unboxing video that I'm gonna do. I'm so excited. I've literally ordered this September 1st when HOBONICHI is ready to have their sales open, and it arrived today, September 14th. So it took about 2 weeks to arrive to get to me in the Philippines. And I live quite far from the metro. I'm in Bicol. It's like 8 hours away from the Manila. Yeah, so really, I'm so excited. Let's see. I've ordered few, but essentials. I think everybody read this already, so yeah, you can pause it if you want to read it. But that's it. Let's see. Color of the box is like deep red, warm tone brick, terracotta. Oh, I see they got me one free pouch. I think I will use this for probably pens or my tombos, or maybe you can use this as container of your stamps if you have art materials for short. I'd like to open this. Oh, maybe I take it out first. I've ordered HOBONICHI wheat. Somehow I can see it. Okay, let me just clear this out of the way. So let's continue with the free pouch. It says 2023. It's navy blue. It's like it's not full on canvas, but it's silk, but a cheap silk. Ganon. Okay, you can pause if you want to read. Today is the only day the me I am right now will ever exist. That's right. The me I am right now that I will ever exist. So I want to keep a record of that, so the me in the future won't forget them. So true. So good. And this is so useful. Thank you, HOBONICHI. This is the free pens this year. It's brown and navy blue. I always keep this because it's my third year to be buying from HOBONICHI actually. Okay. Let's see. This is my first time to ever see a HOBONICHI English version. HOBONICHI Weeks English. And it says Monday start. I don't even know if the weeks have a Sunday start version. Can you comment below if you know if there is a Sunday start HOBONICHI weeks? So I've always used this. Oh, I'm such a messy opener. Okay, anyway, let's see. This is the freebie card. The guide. It's nice. It's also more concise than the other years. I remember last year and 2 years ago it was so big, probably 3 times bigger than this. Yeah, so excited. Okay, let's see. I wonder if they did not give the plastic cover. I don't know. Last year they gave out, but let's see. Weeks. So weird not seeing any Japanese characters here. But this perpetual calendar looks so much better because in the Japanese version they actually mark this as the Japanese characters, and also all of the Japanese holidays are actually in red, so it looks kind of messy, but this time it looks so clear and we can just adjust it on our own. It starts with December, so we can start right away. Oh, and I see they mark the full moon. I think they don't do that with the old weeks. Let me check. Actually got my old weeks. This is my weeks this year, 2022. Let's see if they actually, oh, they actually do. I just didn't notice. So they actually mark the full moon on the monthly area. My bad. Okay, let's see. No more. Oh, there's still one Japanese character here. They still do have that, but at least it's more minimal. I noticed that they made it bigger. See? This one. This is so small. This is bigger now in the English version. This is the Japanese version. They have this character here. They don't. They still have that. The Monday. So that's the difference. Let's see. The free sticky. I'm so glad to see this. That I could actually read everything. This is not actually present in the Japanese weeks. I'll be reading all of these later. This is actually useful. I actually fill this up. Not really fill it up, but I really use it every year. Let's see, I'll let you see my... Let's see. Oh yeah. Sweet things hobbies doing for me. Songs this year. Movies I watched this year. Series I watched this year. If you want some recos for movies and series that I want, you can screenshot. Yeah, so that's my English weeks. This is not the mega, because the first year I bought mega and I didn't use up all of the free spaces here, so I'm actually fine with the regular weeks. Let's now proceed to the HOBONICHI cousin. The first time I used the cousin, it was a full year, but it was also a spring cousin, and my mind doesn't work like that. I need to use a planner from the year start. I actually appreciate what they switched to paper containers, paper. Yeah, it has some instructions here. It's just that I really wish that the cousin avec comes in English too, because I would have really got the English version. So it only comes in the Japanese version, so I'm fine with that. I've been with the Japanese version before. And also I'm glad they have the perpetual calendar in full year, so I could actually plan ahead. But I think the monthly is just until July. Yeah, so that's my second thing. Is it the second? Yeah. The cousin effect. Now this is the freebie. Oh, it's interesting to see that if you get the Japanese version, you also get a Japanese wordings on it. See? Yeah, so I appreciate that they also translated this to English, because I can never read Japanese. That's good. Okay. Now, they included this freebie, which is, I think, a passport size. I wonder if they will release a passport size for HOBONICHI next year, because I think I'll be getting that. That would be interesting. And I would always so like it smaller, actually, for my day-to-day. That's why I go with weeks for my EDC, everyday carry. I don't actually know what's the difference, but they say it goes so much better with fountain pen, even better than the regular or the current paper. Yeah, I've seen somebody mention that before. And last but not the least, I'm actually surprised they didn't give me the box, because I usually see boxes for this. Anyway, that's fine. I've been craving to have Malia Kent tweed for the longest time, since last year. It's good that it comes with a canvas bag so it can be protected. So here it is. My goodness, that's so pretty. I'm so glad I have this. I've been debating to have, like, purchase it for the last year version, but the last year version was, I think, pink and brown, if I'm not mistaken. But this is so much my vibe. I like it. It's pink. It has purple glitters and then blue glitters and a beige strand. Anyway, let's open it. Wow, it's so pretty. It's a splurge for me. But, you know, you gotta give yourself sometimes too. Gift yourself sometimes. Let's open. It's my first time opening this. Wow, real leather. This is important so it won't be moist. Yep. So it doesn't open here, but you can have this. Yeah. Has some pouches here. Can insert something here. Can insert some here. Wow. Okay, let's actually try to put on some HOBONICHI avec on this. Let's see. Wow. Amazing. Okay. I actually don't like the yellow color, so I'm gonna insert it here. Well, excuse me for not having the full view, but I just inserted it. Whoa. Amazing. Let's insert it somewhere in January. Okay. January. Because I usually use my planners at the start of the year. I end and start at the year. Okay, so that ends my HOBONICHI haul. I hope you enjoyed it. It's short but sweet, with all my necessities and some splurge. Hope you have fun with your HOBONICHI this year. Bye! This is actually a heart.